Alright, we're at another elevator here now. At Ikea, Robinson Town Center in Pittsburgh.
This one only has one door.
Oh, one door.
It doesn't have the second, it doesn't have a rear door. Sorry. It says a Dover blue.
Yeah, the blue, that's usually what a Dover interlock, what color it usually is. Oh yeah, I see the blue up there.
First floor.
That voice is pretty cool.
Is that the Schindler voice or is that a Mad voice?
A Mad voice.
The Mad pictures. Do they do the drone voice? I don't know.
I wonder.
I like the Otis voice. Like, going up.
Mm-hmm.
Second floor.
It's a cafeteria. They do have good food here.
Oh, they do. I think I remember eating lunch at an Ikea once in Frisco.
We ate here, well, in 2019 when we bought furniture.
Yeah.
Got the Swedish meatballs.
I think I got just pasta with meatballs.
Yeah, that's what I got. The Swedish meatballs with pasta.
I think mine had marinara sauce.
This had gravy, whatever their gravy was. It was
First
good.
floor.
I believe this place is from 1988.